you can now have the flexibility to pull that data into Google Sheets or Excel, depending on which one your organization prefers or allows.
Adzviser, 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 Adzviser,
Hello everyone! I've been really excited to share this with you guys. Our Adzviser Excel add-in has officially been approved and is now live on Microsoft Marketplace. Our mission at Adzviser has always been to give marketers the most flexible connectors, not just to AI like ChatGPT or Claude, but also to BI tools like Looker Studio and Power BI. And on top of that, but also to spreadsheets, because that's where a lot of the real work actually happens, such as reporting, analysis, and so on and so forth. Whether you're working with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Analytics, or any other major marketing platforms, you can now have the flexibility to pull that data into Google Sheets or Excel, depending on which one your organization prefers or allows. And if you've already used our Google Sheets add-on previously, this wouldn't feel like a big switch at all because our Excel add-in works almost exactly the same way. Same workflows, same logic, and very similar, same seamless experience, just inside Excel. In this video, I will show you how it works and how easy it is to get started. Let's jump right in. All right, who's ready to get some data to Excel? I know I am. Let's click add-ins and let's simply type in Adzviser. Okay, and simply just click add. And soon you will see our Excel add-in will be brought up. Okay, here we go. And you simply click authorize with Adzviser, sign in, and you should be taken back to the very familiar setup page, which you will use for ChatGPT, for Google Sheets, Looker Studio, Claude, so on and so forth. And as we have previously talked about, you just simply click complete authentication with Excel. Okay, now we're taken back to Excel. You can see, hey, this is the list of workspaces that we have created within Adzviser. Let's get some data from our connected Facebook ads account. For the dates, let's do last month. And for time granularity wise, let's do daily. And for metrics, let's select reach, frequency, impressions, as well as spend and link clicks. For breakdowns, let's do account name and campaign name. Okay, for filters and options, let's leave them as empty. And let's just get some data. All right, as you can see, we were able to grab last month worth of data from the month of December, and you will be able to see the daily breakdown, how each of our campaign is performing from our connected Facebook ads account. Reach, frequency, impressions, and spend, as we requested, are shown here. And you can see that our add-in automatically created an actual workbook called Facebook Ads Demo. Okay, and now let's switch our account from Facebook ads to Google ads. And for our data range, let's keep it as daily breakdown, but for the data range, let's do X days and let's do the last 10 days. Say if I'm only interested in getting the data from the last 10 days from our connected Google ads account, with our Excel adding, we're totally able to do that. And for the metrics, let's do cost, ROAS, impressions, clicks. And for the breakdowns, let's do account name and campaign name. Okay, great. And let's do get data table again. And it's going to create another workbook within our Excel doc, as you can see here. And we were getting data from the past 10 days, as you can see, broken down by each individual day. And here are the columns that we selected from select metrics and select breakdowns sections. As you can see, okay, ROAS, impressions, cost, clicks, campaign names, all that good stuff. I think this will be a very good demo to show you how our Microsoft Excel add-in works. And I hope that this video makes sense. I really hope that by adding this Excel integration within our portfolio, we will be able to provide even more flexibility to our marketers who are constantly, reporting data, analyzing data, and then trying to optimize their campaigns. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Adzviser, 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 Adzviser.